Hello, good morning. It's Eid day and Shimla day. We're going to have Sita Ram chole bhature. It's actually luchi bhature and there's a chutney in it. It's one of my favorite things in the world to eat. So I'm so excited. And then we're going to go to Hotel Cecil and have lunch there and basically eat a lot. That's what we do anyway, like every time we travel. But yeah, Shimla day.
Empty. Is this a mulberry?
That's not a mulberry.
A dried mulberry?
These are dried mulberry. No, they aren't. Same color though.
It's chole bhature. ये डिफरेंट है
भैया है ना कि तीन
दो ही आए
नहीं नहीं तीन है तीन है
दो या तीस
आज पूरा दिन शिमला में बता के हम अभी लौटे हैं. As you saw, we went to Sita Ram first, which is one of my most favorite places in all of India, perhaps in the whole world. It's something that I dream of and want to eat every once in a while, even though of course I don't get to. But whenever I come to this side, if I don't eat it, I just feel like it's a massive miss. Someone said that people don't know a lot about luchi because it's usually chole bhature, but luchi, I think the difference is that bhature is like a puri but a little softer, and then luchi is even more soft. It's more pulled and softer, and I would say it's like the rumali roti of puri. Like what rumali roti is to naan and everything, this is to puri. So we had the best luchi, chana, and the best thing I feel is the little meaty chutney that they put on top of it. I don't know what to say about it because there are no words. I changed spots. So anyway, we had Sita Ram. Today was some summer fest was going on, summer fest shopping and some performances and everything. So because of that, Shimla was very, very crowded, and we didn't do as much as we expected because there was so much traffic. It took us way too long to get there also. So we did stop in the middle to just climb a few little hills, and then on the way back also we climbed. But yeah, we didn't hang around much on Mall Road and Lakkar Bazaar. We had Sitaram, we walked a little bit, saw the church and everything, and then we went to Hotel Cecil where we had this like reservation because today is Eid, and our Eid lunch was this continental lamb chops and duck and mushroom tart and creme brulee and all. It was amazing. We had a very, very, very nice lunch there. And I love Cecil, especially the French toast that they serve there. So we had to have that as well. And it was nice to relax there after, a long journey. We chilled, spoke to a few people who had joined us also, my grandparents' friends. And yeah, I've also put a few videos of just Shimla, the town, and I wanted to see the Hanuman. I wanted to show my little cousin and show her how tall the Hanuman ji statue is at the Jaku temple, and we saw that, so I've put some of that as well. I've actually been there previously, and it's amazing, but just right now it would have been too crowded. But going up there when it's not that crowded, it's so peaceful. The whole Hanuman Chalisa is written on the steps that you're walking, and then you see the statue, and then if you go a little bit higher, there's a monastery there also, where it's so super serene, and sometimes there's mist. So if you're in Shimla, I 100% recommend going up to the Jaku temple. Don't take, I mean, if you have to take a cab or whatever, they have a lot of services, but just be careful with what and who you choose to go up there with. But then once you're there, just enjoy the view, the peace and calm. Go to the monastery. It's very nice. And then I, of course, will recommend Sita Ram. Amazing. And if you want a little more of a luxurious experience, then you can go to Cecil because the food there is really to die for. It's like, it's really, really maintaining the standards of what a fancy hotel should do for food, which a lot of other hotels are not doing these days. Yeah, I'm kind of upset we didn't get to do too much in Shimla. There's also this really cool travel bookstore, very old, that I go to, but didn't get to do that. We saw the house that Tamasha was shot in, and like the streets and stuff as well. So met a few people who were part of Tamasha. But other than that, yeah, we didn't see Gaiety Galaxy. That's another recommendation because it's a great theater to just even go see even if you're not watching a play or anything. Yeah, we had a really, really good time in Shimla. Did the most we could. A bit of a not strenuous because it was fun, but it was a lot of driving and getting to a certain place. So I'm looking forward to eating parathas, mooli and gobi, which I like more than aloo paratha, and going to sleep. Good night.